have a little magnet built into the lip, so they lock up there so they don't get in the way when they come back down. This is the carryall here. And then there's a drawer underneath. When you get to these ones, you just got to take the front ones out to get to the back ones. The other side, get the magnet holds it. There's a carryall in here. Both carryalls are handy for reducing the weight and being able to take it to another spot where the barrow can't reach, maybe. And then underneath is more longer stuff and less frequently used stuff.